Impact Lab, nous sommes les experts de l'innovation entrepreneuriale en Afrique. Nous avons accompagné plus de 240 startups dans 17 pays africains sur les dernières années. L'agritech, pour nous, c'est une verticale essentielle. Et c'est pour ça que nous sommes ravis d'avoir exécuté ce programme pour continuer à renforcer l'écosystème agritech africain.
My name is Joshua Ellis. I've had the pleasure to be accepted to the AgriTech4Morocco program, and it's been amazing. All right, I had the pleasure to meet tens of different people from around the world, all elaborating and expressing their interest in agricultural technology.
Through the Accelerator4Impact platform, we aim to connect with the innovation ecosystems for startups to work more closely with our scientists, but at the same time ensure that our scientists can benefit from the innovations that are available in the market. This will allow us to deliver projects and programs faster with a greater impact. The Accelerator4Impact platform, which is the new initiative we are working on, is really looking at the way we can solve problems with a market approach. We were happy to work with a number of talented entrepreneurs that are really trying to solve complex problems, and their solutions were quite impressive. There is something that we want to achieve through this program. It was like to build the synergies and the connection not only among the different technologies, but also among participants coming from international ecosystems that had an opportunity to exchange with Moroccan-based startups.
Ce qui m'a particulièrement impressionné dans le AgriTech4Morocco Challenge, c'est la diversité des propositions des startups et le fait qu'ils touchent à différentes parties des systèmes agroalimentaires du Maroc, aussi bien la production avec des solutions en irrigation, en hydroponie, que la mise en marché, la transformation des produits ou la génération de données pour mieux produire.
My name is Alfia. I came from Latvia and I'm so happy being here. I represent AgriTech startup Green Growth. It's so amazing being here and see inspiring souls the same as us, and it's cool that we are from different continents, that we are all gathered by one goal to make agriculture sustainable and regenerative.
Je suis Wissal Ben Moussa, cofondatrice de From Sun to Green. Le programme AgriTech4Morocco nous a permis de rencontrer plein d'acteurs incontournables de l'écosystème de l'innovation agritech au Maroc, de créer des synergies et de challenger notre propre projet.
My name is Vishnu Pillai. I'm from India. I'm the co-founder of Manhat. We are at AgriTech4Morocco event, and this is really valuable to us. We met different stakeholders and we are looking forward to the engagements in future.
Je suis Malik Ndiaye, le directeur du département agricole de la société Capture Solutions. L'avènement de AgriTech4Morocco a été l'occasion en fait de servir toutes ces idées et toutes ces thématiques et ont permis de nous impacter en termes de connaissances, en termes de relations, en termes de savoir et surtout en termes de force pour aller de l'avant.